आज की वीडियो में आज हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द डायमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस, पैरामैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस एंड द फेरोमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस, the how they are the different from one another. So the first we see the diamagnetic substances. The substances which are the weakly repelled by the magnet are called the diamagnetic substances. When the diamagnetic substances are the placed in the external magnetic field, the substances are weakly repelled. Now the in paramagnetic substances, the substances are the weakly attracted by the magnet are called as the paramagnetic substances. When the paramagnetic substances are the placed in the external magnetic field, the substances are the weakly attracted by the magnet are called the paramagnetic substances. And the ferromagnetic substances means the substances which are the strongly attracted by the magnet are called paramagnetic substances. When the ferromagnetic substances are the placed in the external magnetic field, the substances are the strongly attracted by the magnet are called that means that this is the ferromagnetic substances. The second point is that in the diamagnetic substances the electrons are exist in the pair. All the electrons of the diamagnetic substances are pair, and in the paramagnetic substances the electrons of the paramagnetic substances are the unpaired, or one or more electrons of the paramagnetic substances are unpaired. But in the ferromagnetic substances, all the electrons of the ferromagnetic substances are the unpaired. The third point is that if the external magnetic field is applied to the diamagnetic substances, the diamagnetic substances are the weakly repelled by the magnet. But if the external magnetic field is the removed, the resultant magnetic moment of that substances is the zero. If the external magnetic field is applied to the substances possess the net small magnetic moment. Or if the applied external magnetic field is the removed, then the resultant magnetic moment of that substances means the diamagnetic substances is the zero. In the paramagnetic substances, in the absence of or if the external magnetic field is applied to the substances are the weakly attracted by the magnet, and if the external magnetic field are the removed, the substances possess the permanent magnetic moment or the net small magnetic moment. And in case of the ferromagnetic substances, the substances are possess the strong magnetic moment in the absence or the presence of the external magnetic field. The fourth point is that the diamagnetic substances are the weakly magnetized in the directions of the opposite to the directions of the magnetic field. And in case of the paramagnetic substances, the paramagnetic substances are the weakly magnetized in the directions of applied to the directions of the applied of magnetic field, in same directions. Or in case of the ferromagnetic substances, the substances are the strongly magnetized in the directions of applied external magnetic field. The fifth point is that the diamagnetic substances is unaffected due to the temperature. There is no effect of the temperature. But in case of the paramagnetic substances, it is affected due to the temperature. And in case of the ferromagnetic substances, the ferromagnetic substances is also affected due to the temperature. If the temperature is the very high, then the ferromagnetic substances can behave as the paramagnetic substances. These are the few points of the difference between the diamagnetic, paramagnetic and the ferromagnetic substances. Thank you.